Hi guys, today I am going to teach how to make this mask animation using Flash. Okay, let's going to start the animation. First, open the Photoshop document and file new and make the size as width 800 pixel, height 200 pixel. Resolution will be 72. Color mode will be RGB. Click OK. Now this is the workspace. You are going to insert the image. So first you have to open the image. First open. I saved on my desktop. These are the images I am going to import this animation. First click on this and click open. Then drag on the workspace. Now we are going to reduce the size of the image, edit, free transform, and click on this button, and here you just drag. It's perfect. Again I am going to reduce the size of the image. Right, it's perfect. Now enter to apply the free transform. Now again going to open the another image, which is this. Open and drag on your workspace. Again go to the edit, free transform, and click on this button and reduce the size of the image. Reduce the size of the image. Right, no, hit enter. Okay, perfect. Now one more image left. Open. This is the number 3. I'm going to insert in this place. Now this is the image. Now I'm going to reduce the size of the image little bit. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is, this area I no need, I'm going to cut this. So get the rectangular marquee tool and select the area you are going to cut. This is the area I'm going to cut. Select this area and press delete key on your keyboard. It's automatically cut the area. Now select undo the extend. Right. Now I'm going to adjust this one little bit. So this area I no need, so I am going to cut. Again go to the layer and select the area which you are going to cut. This is the area I am going to cut. You just select it and delete. Press delete key on your keyboard. Okay, this is a nice slideshow image. Now what I'm going to do is file and save as, and save on your folder. Save in this image on the folder. Let's give the name as slideshow image. Okay, click OK. Now open the Flash document. Click on the action script tool and insert the image. File, import to library. Select as import to library. Select the image we are going to save on your computer. I saved on my desktop. This is the folder I'm going to save. This is the image. Open. It automatically come on the library here. It's automatically coming on the library, which name is slideshow. Now before you drag this one, what is the size of this image, what is the width I gave at the Photoshop. So right click on the workspace and image size. Width will be 800, height will be 200. So we no need to adjust that one. You just click on this image and drag on your workspace. There are so many spaces left, so just click on the workspace. You click on the workspace. After drag on your workspace of this image, you just click on the workspace and go to the properties window, click on the size button, and you can, this is the current size of this workspace. This is the current size of this workspace. Here there are three options available: match, print, contain, and default. You select the one which is the appropriate one for that. Contain, click OK. Now it's match on the background. Now what I'm going to do is I make this picture as a movie clip. Right click on the image and select the option as convert to symbol. Here you give the name as a slide. Okay, click OK. Now I already made as successfully made as a movie clip. Now do double click and open the movie clip. This is the movie clip panel. Here this icon will be called as a movie clip panel. Now this is a movie clip timeline. This is a movie clip layer. Again you have to insert another layer. This layer you are going to draw some circle or oval shape or something like that. Before draw, insert some shape, some ruler. So view, click on the ruler, just arrange like this. Okay, now you have to, this is the middle area of the image. You just draw that, click on this one. This will be the your shape. You just double click and make the name as shape. Here click on this shape from the toolbox, which name is oval tool, and draw it. Draw like this. Okay, look great. Okay, nice. Now what I'm going to do is, here this is my animation panel, this is my shape panel. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, here go to the frame number 20 and right click and insert keyframe. Here also you have to insert keyframe. You have to give the insert keyframe both layer 1 and shape layer also. The picture layer and shape layer also you must give as a insert keyframe. Now what I'm going to do is, frame 1, you select the image as, hold on the shift key down, press and you just drag on the right, just starting from here, so that the circle is starting here. Now starting animation is starting from here. Put like this. After that, at the 20th frame, you select as the animation here, endpoint, like this. After that, go to the 40th frame, insert keyframe. Here also insert keyframe. Here also it's gone again back like this. At the first time here, 20 frame here, 14 frame back. So give the tune as motion tune between the 1 to 20 frames. Here also give the option as motion tune. You can see the animation now. Let's run this animation and see what happened here. It's okay, looks great. Now what I'm going to do is, here right click on this one and select as the option as mask. Now let's run the animation. See, now you can see the animation window. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, again insert layer above. Here what I'm going to do is, here I am right click and select the option as action. Here I am going to write the action as a stop. Here also I am going to go to the action. Here I am also insert keyframe. Here I am click on this one and name it as action. First one should be stop. Here also I'm going to write the action script as stop. Here also going to write the action script as stop. Sorry, first you have to, before writing the action script, you must insert the keyframe. After that you have to write, otherwise you can't write the stop action script. Okay, I wrote. Okay, now let's close it, and now press Ctrl plus enter and run this. It won't run because I already stopped here. I wrote the action script as stop. Now whatever I'm going to do is again switch back to scene 1, and this is my animation panel. Click on another layer. Here I'm going to write some action script. Okay, so right click this one, click the name as here round. Here what I'm going to do is right click and action here 1. The action you have to write round dot rollover functions and this dot go and play 2 second frame. Here I give as rollout 21 frame. This means double click on the movie clip. You can see it is playing starting from second frame. Here also this is meaning of roll over. This means roll out. Here this will back. Here this will be back. Once move roll over, it's coming like this. This will be work. Roll out, this will be work. Okay, this is starting from 21, this is starting from 2. Okay, so that I give here action script, right click and action script. I like go and play 2 or roll out 26. Okay, 26 is work here. Okay, 26. Okay, you can give 21 also, it will be possible. Okay, here you can give right click and action 21 I gave. Okay, it will work. Okay, no problem, because I create twice here this animation. That will be the problem. Okay, first you just click on this one and give the movie clip name round. The same name you have to insert this action script round dot rollover, this movie clip dot rollover function, and it work this. It's roll out, it's working from 26 frame. Okay, this is a simple animation I made myself. I hope you all enjoy this my tutorials. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe me. Thanks for watching.